Forums, and we are live with Param and Harshita. Yay! Okay, so unless you guys have been living under a rock, these guys were major in Sada Haq, and they are probably like two of the most beautiful actors, and they are going to talk about their web series Black Coffee. Param and Harshita, let's start off with how was Halloween? What have you guys been doing? What's up?
Yeah, we were doing nothing actually.
Actually nothing.
We got no invitations from anywhere.
Aww.
I was at home.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. What were you
I
doing?
didn't know anything.
We were actually shooting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we didn't get any time.
These guys are coming up with another episode of Black Coffee. In case you guys aren't already hooked to it, it's going to be there in like a day or so from now. Yeah. Let's get down to it. You guys had amazing chemistry in Sada Haq, and from then on, like you guys have been like majorly shook. So tell us what it's like, like your journey from TV to the digital space.
I don't feel like it's like a
It's the same
different,
actually, it's the same.
thing.
And what do you mean by had chemistry?
No, obviously, I mean, no.
Yeah, Santa how she meant. Like, it's okay.
Yeah.
She's a kid, you can like not.
She's not a kid.
No.
Okay, yeah, it feels the same actually, and it's a
You
great
look
thing.
like one.
It's a great thing working with her because we have done a show for like 1,000 days.
Mhm.
So
Okay,
yeah.
2.5 years still feels like, to the years, but 1,000 days?
Hello, see, you is writing something, looking amazing, you go, thank you.
No, of course. You guys can send all of your comments to us, and after a while we'll have them reply to your questions and comments. So keep them coming. Yeah.
So yeah, it's a great experience working with Harshita and Beyond Rim because they're the producers. So yeah, it's a dream team for me actually.
Mhm.
It's like family.
Mhm.
So
Okay,
it's
so
fun work.
do you think the digital space has given y'all a lot of freedom? Like you can be more expressive about things that you typically cannot do on television.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I think.
I can't roll a joint.
Yeah, exactly.
on television.
We saw you have weed.
I can abuse.
Yeah.
Those words.
What's that? It's freedom.
Chalo choo. Something is
No,
that.
I did.
I don't
said
know. I
the
don't
whole
like it.
thing.
They're not saying the words.
Yeah, there's no
They are not saying
beat,
the words.
actually.
I'm just shouting them. Yeah. So, what do you think about that kind of freedom? Like, does it artistically, does it make you all feel like, oh my god, really?
Obviously, it gives you a better creative window. I mean, not only for actors, for producers to come up with concepts like that, for directors to, test something if they want to try something. For writers, like they can really write their heart out and put it on web because there'll not be cuts and there'll not be like, okay, you can't speak that, you can't show that. So yeah, creatively it gives everybody an opportunity to just portray whatever they want to on web, and also web has a greater audience. I mean, I don't think today
It's
any
not having a
platform
great
has.
audience.
Of course.
No, first is television, second
No,
is.
I'll tell you.
Alliance.
I'll tell you logic on that. There's logic on that.
First is still TV.
It's not about
People have
I'm
buying
saying that
smartphones.
it gives you a bet. I mean, it's a broader. It's a way bigger platform for people.
Yeah, brands are also being advertised on digital media.
Mhm.
That is okay, and a lot of people, have smartphones and there's internet connectivity
Everybody
in
has
rural areas.
Mhm.
So that is, having said that, internet is not bigger than TV. Still, it is not
I'm
that.
saying it
They-
is becoming bigger than TV because everybody nowadays will carry a smartphone. I mean, even if you're 95% people who carry smartphone, after a few days it'll be 100% people carrying smartphones.
But-
And it's so easy, you don't have to wait for the time slot
That
to,
makes sense.
for that particular show to see on TV. You can just watch it online. Like it's just on the go, which will be easier for people to do it. And so, no offense to TV, of course, but I'm just saying that
It's
web will
growing.
have a greater audience
Mhm.
in
Eventually.
years to come. Yeah.
Okay, so here's the question. अगर TV like
Okay.
अगर ब्लैक कॉफी की पॉपुलैरिटी बहुत ही ज्यादा बढ़ जाए, ठीक है, तो उसका क्रेडिट क्या टीवी ऑडियंस को जाएगा? Since these guys are so used to watching you, so do you think
the same? I think
You
TV
think these
audience
guys
is
is
Audience, I think audience is audience.
Yeah. I mean,
People
they are
will change,
watching
you know,
TV
like-
It's
also.
not talking about your fans. Like, do you think they love you that much? Like,
Yeah, yeah, of course. I think
I think they just loved us
But like
more on digital. I mean,
9 lakh views, 9
Oh,
10
wow.
lakh
yeah,
views.
yeah. So digitally, our
guys should
show
be
is-
watching
thank you
this
so much
show.
for that. Really, thank you. Yay! And
No, even when we were doing Sada Haq, a lot of people like digitally they would just. I think there were so many polls coming up. They would make us win, like and how? Like from people who've had probably more followers than us, more fans than us, but then
yeah,
those few
BMs
fans
on.
we have, they are so sweet and they're so loyal and they're just adorable. I mean, I know that
We have
they are-
organic followers actually.
yeah. So I was just shooting for something, and everybody on the set is coming and telling me that, you know, your fans want to meet you and they're calling us, they're messaging us.
Oh.
It's like so sweet. I mean, they.
Thank them. Huh?
Yeah, thank you. I mean,
They're watching you right now.
thank you, but let's obviously also not bother other people. Let's get on live chat like this.
What's the secret behind your beautiful hair?
Yeah, you've been watching my
They want to
hair.
know.
You're so cute.
Oh, thank you.
Actually, Param.
Oh, I thought you were telling me what's the secret behind your beautiful hair.
Oh, they are asking me.
You know.
Anyway, so yeah,
You complimenting me is
your mom is calling me. You want to answer?
no, it's actually
Live, yeah, live.
it's okay.
Okay. So we saw you all as students, and then now we see you as working professionals. So, like, what do you think? Tell us a little about your growth through the years.
So
Definitely.
I became a gulam in between actually.
Yeah.
I
Because he was not getting work actually. He
After-
did pass,
after-
but he was not getting
After
work.
mechanical engineering, I went to this village. They made me a gulam for a year. But then, yeah, eventually I'm out of it, and now I've become this novelist. And I love
I
black
was
coffee. I love
secretly
this.
writing your novel that time also. I
Yeah,
guess.
maybe.
Mhm.
I don't know. It's not black enough.
Not black enough. It's never black
It's
enough.
never black enough.
It has to be black like a sky on a moonless night.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell us a little about your characters. I'm sure people are dying to know. Or something upcoming, like they would love a teaser. They love a teaser.
See, I'm playing, of course, they all know that I'm playing this character Dhruv. He's a novelist, and he is very good at what he does, but he's not good at the other things. Like, he's not good at numbers. Income tax also, he doesn't have any idea about what is going on these days, like service tax, GST, and all of that. So, his manager, he says that you need a CA or someone. So that's how she comes into the picture.
Ta-ta.
And then it's chemistry and what?
There's this Guju girl who comes and she loves numbers. I think she's a very mundane girl who would just, she would have loved maths in her school days and then maybe finance or something in college, and like she really likes numbers. I mean, she can. So for her, everything revolves around logic. You give her logic and she'll be like, okay, this works and this doesn't. For her, everything is black and white. There's no midline. There's no midway. So yeah, so she's typically very boring. I mean, she's just very boring, mundane girl. And then something like this Dhruv Naran happens in her life, and then how things change. That's what black coffee is about. So how will she actually make the black coffee dark enough for Dhruv Naran?
Or maybe white. That's what I think you will do for me.
So black coffee is exactly that. I've been added with a lot of intrigue since they won't give us any teasers. Okay. And then there's of course the occasional helpings of coffee. Like you can see this Davidoff bottle everywhere. It's amazing. And so how much coffee have you had because of the show? Like,
No, I had off the set. I don't know.
I had a lot of coffee and a lot of smoke
it looks
also.
so fancy. Wow.
Yeah, a lot of smoke and a lot of coffee. And yeah, but it was fun. I'm just
I read
happy
a lot
that-
of comments, people saying he being a non-smoker, smoking like a pro man. I mean, he's
I'm
so
not a
good.
non-smoker, I'm an ex-smoker.
Yeah. So that's
I've
what
smoked
I
in
want
my
to
life.
clarify. He's an ex-smoker.
I'm an ex-smoker.
Not that we promote smoking. None of us.
Yeah.
I
None of
hate
us
smoking,
No
no
smoking.
smoking, very bad. Smoking
Hashtag
is the
no
worst
smoking.
thing.
Hashtag no smoking.
Drink wine sometimes. But
In
no
moderation.
smoking. Yeah, in moderation. Drinking in moderation is fine. Otherwise, drink black coffee and eat healthy.
and then watch Black Coffee.
And
Please
watch
watch
that.
Yeah. So speaking of coffee, like we're gonna have an overload of it there with us. We have a coffee segment, and we have some fun questions for you guys. We'll just start right off the bat. How do you guys like your coffee?
Black.
Black.
Completely. No,
Completely.
no hazelnut, nothing.
No.
Oh yeah, hazelnut. I love it. I love hazelnut.
Okay, so
Without hazelnut
there's
flavor like that.
there are peculiar researches about how black coffee, it seems, is related to psychotic behavior. Yeah, it
I
is.
think-
They say that if you're having black coffee, you better lock yourself in a cellar because you're probably a psycho. So tell us, have you ever had any psychotic impulses? Like, if black coffee would be like a criminally, if it would be an alleged thing, what would be your psychotic impulse that drives you towards black coffee?
I've never
I
experienced
think I'm
that.
a very sane person, so for me, so there's nothing psychotic that can drive me
Do
to
you have
black
any gray
coffee.
shade in life?
No.
Same person.
I'm just
Either
so
it's
good.
black or white. I think it gives you a lot of energy, and the only negative point about black coffee is it makes you anxious. That's why, for me, I don't drink black coffee after 5 because I'm just.
I just love the taste of coffee. Like you have to drink coffee for the taste of it, not for the milk and the sugar in it.
What?
By the way, that's mine.
But it's
You
too
just-
sweet.
That is criminal. He just stole her
Yeah.
coffee.
It's too
Oh my
sweet.
god.
We share
I
it.
was right. The research is right.
Yeah.
That is criminal.
Ah,
Oh my
I
god.
want your coffee.
Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then, so we are going to talk about coffee personifications. Okay. So I will tell them about a particular kind of coffee, and they'll tell me who they think is that coffee or needs that coffee.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the first one goes a double espresso shot. Like, tell me about a person or a friend or someone who needs that double
Ankit
espresso
Gupta.
to wake up.
Okay, because he's always sleeping. He was.
I would also give it to somebody who's like so sweet in life.
Ah,
Like the
probably.
who's generally like so sweet. You need to give him 2 espresso shot to balance it out.
Who's that person?
I
We don't.
She's gonna find that person and give him black coffee. Okay. So the next one is cappuccino. So this can be someone like whom you love having conversations with. Like just that like घंटों बैठ सकते हो बात कर सकते हो. So like who is that person whom you would love to share a cappuccino with?
think it could be different for both of us.
Yeah, it can be
Yeah,
different.
yeah.
Anyone.
Of course,
Yeah.
should be different.
Yeah.
I think my mom. Anyway, she loves cappuccinos.
I don't know. There are a lot of people.
Well, that's fine.
My friends, family.
Yeah, that's good.
There's
Share
no
coffee with your
specific one.
friends.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is mocha. So like this really fun person that eats like chocolate. Like everything is better with them.
I think my friend Abhinav. To be honest with you. Yeah, I think my couple of my close mate buddies.
Yeah, I can have it with
With
Nikhil,
me?
Akshay.
That's okay. ठीक है.
So the next is Irish coffee. Like someone who's such a fun drunk that they need a spiked Irish coffee.
This is
For me?
for Sunny.
Yeah.
For my friends Rahul.
Okay. Pretty cool.
I want them to watch this video. This is for you, Rahul.
Okay. The last one is decaf. Like someone who really needs to chill and get caffeine out of their system.
That could be Ankit because he really has a lot of caffeine.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. For me, I don't know. I don't have anyone like that. I'm sorry. I can't think about anyone.
Everybody's too healthy. Okay. So the next one, for this one, we want you guys to hold imaginary cups of coffee in your hands. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We will give them coffee combinations. Okay, and according to how weird they are.
It's hang.
Oh gosh. Should I handle it?
Okay, so.
Okay.
We are looking at that camera only, no?
Yeah.
Oh, it's.
Okay, so they're gonna hold imaginary coffee cups in their hands, and I'll give them amazing coffee combinations, and accordingly they're going to react to that particular cup of coffee. And just anyway,
Okay.
just really loud about it, so you know.
Sold this also.
Oh,
And
no,
then
no, no,
you
you might
want to
drop
spit
it.
over.
Oh,
You might
okay.
Hey, so some of these are lethal. Okay. So the first one. Here goes. You guys can also comment and tell us how good these combinations are.
Probably you can try that too.
Yeah, they can try to do. Okay, so the first combination is Shrikhand coffee.
Ah. Ooh.
I can have it.
I don't like
Oh my God,
sweets.
she's
I don't
having
like
it.
meat.
She's having it.
You like it?
But it's a different kind of meetha.
Ah,
Oh.
it works well.
I'm just thinking that I'm contemplating. Like
Mhm.
it's nice. Yeah.
Okay, the next one.
So this is gone.
Yeah, this is the next one. Yeah. Okay. Tomato coffee.
I cannot have
Now let me
tomato.
know.
Like not like this.
It's not that good. It's not that good.
So the next question is, it's actually for people जो ऐसे vegan बन जाते हैं, they're like, oh my god.
बन जाते हैं, हम दोनों भी बन गए
नहीं
थे।
नहीं सिर्फ ये.
मैं
And I would
दो
be
मैंने
vegetarian.
बन गए
इसके
थे.
बाद मांस सब वापस।
Yeah, no, I mean, and the thing about vegans is they pretend to like avocado. Yeah, seriously.
Yeah.
No, a lot of vegans.
Oh, whatever. No offense.
You like.
Vegan is paneer. Okay. So
Oh, vegan is tofu. It's not
I
paneer.
know, it's fine. No, I'm trying to assuage there.
Okay.
Yeah. So the next one is avocado coffee.
No, I don't want to even try. I don't like avocado.
No, but I like it. So it's not that I'm not eating it.
I want to see how you drink avocado.
Just trying. It's good for the
She
competition.
likes it.
Yeah, I can have coconut oil in coffee, so I think avocado.
She is
oil-
so much tougher than him. Oh my god.
Very tough. Good.
Amazing. Okay, get ready for the next one.
Okay.
Cups. I'm gonna be. Manchurian coffee.
I love Chinese.
You have mine also. Manchurian coffee. Like that.
Amazing. That is so,
और लाना भाई. I love Chinese, so I can have
that is
Manchurian.
impressive. I wish it was yours.
Manchurian coffee. I can just.
Okay.
Yuck.
Okay, the next one, the last one. Iced curry coffee.
Which curry?
Which curry?
The spicy kind, the Indian kind.
Indian.
Like a makhni type, right?
Yeah.
Paneer makhni.
Anything, imagine anything. It's a curry coffee and there's ice in it.
I can't
No, if
wait.
you put black coffee, that won't change. I mean, it won't make much of a difference.
Can we eat roti or can we dip roti in this coffee?
Yeah, why not?
No.
Why not? Doesn't make a difference. Black coffee.
Mm.
So make.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's actually good.
So it goes to that, it's basically for everyone. Okay, so now we will take a few comments from fans.
Thanks. It's very
So
nice.
if you guys want to ask any questions
Yeah.
to Param and Harshita, they are all yours.
His neck?
What?
What is there?
It's his neck.
How many novels you've read?
Param?
We love you both.
But how
How
many
many
novels you've read?
Manchurian.
5 to 6 maybe.
Okay, someone says Param is hilarious.
Where is it?
It's gone.
It's
Sorry.
gone.
Oh, I'm your cute.
I love your cute and funny. I love Chinese. Thanks, Parul. Let's go for dinner. I love your cute and funny expression. Who is funny? Who is cute?
You.
I think it's you.
No, I think it's you. I can be cute, but I think funny is you.
Okay, so you are cute and I'm funny.
No, but I think this one was for you only.
Okay. We love you both when you are happy. Thank you, Pratyusha. Oh my god.
They hook to it. They hook to the
Pasta.
idea of you having Chinese.
Curry coffee. Hershey, how you felt celebrating birthday
Your
back on
birthday
set?
back on sets. That's
Oh,
the
very nice. Amazing. The cake was superb.
Who ordered it?
The production team.
There's a serious looking question there. Motivation is important within the acting profession. What would you say is your motivator currently? How to remain positive and focused within your role?
This is for both of us.
Yeah,
What
I
would
think so.
you say is your motivator?
Yeah.
I mean,
It
currently.
doesn't change.
Yeah, it doesn't
just-
change
it's
actually.
just- we love to act. Like I love acting, and there's no motivation. It's just that the appreciation what right now you guys are giving us, this is the motivation. This is for what we work hard, and this is the motivation. This is my motivation. I don't know what.
There's love from Pakistan.
Hey!
Oh, nice.
Come
Come
Kolkata,
Kolkata,
please.
please. Tisha Munda. Okay, we are coming. Why you both are so lovely?
Oh my god, they cannot handle it.
How many episodes will be there for Black Coffee? We don't know, maybe probably 9 or 10.
I think in 20 to 40 something. I don't
So
know.
it's either 9 or it's 20.
No, it's 9 or 10.
We don't know actually.
Okay. Just keep
How
watching.
was the characters challenging for you guys? I'm mostly, if you guys have noticed, I'm just playing myself. There's no need to
Yeah,
just.
for me, I mean, it was. I still don't know if I did justice to it because I'm
You
not
did a very
satisfied.
good job.
And yeah, I need to like work more that it doesn't sound like.
What is your favorite
Too
song?
obvious.
Favorite song right now? Which is your favorite song? Shit. Which is your favorite song right now? Which is your favorite song right now?
First, it would be your favorite.
I don't know which song.
I forgot. I forgot.
Oh, I have this song. Wait, I'll tell you. Yeah, you guys don't like what I listen to. Yeah. I hate it. Ditching EDM music. Chalo anyway.
Param ordered the
It's
cake. Ha
idiot.
ha ha. No, he didn't.
I did. She's
No,
lying.
he did.
Rehab, Jamali, you trust me or not? You trust me? Congrats for 921k view for the first episode. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, thank
Oh
you.
my god.
It's a lot.
They're keeping track.
Don't fight, you both are cute and funny. Yeah. I love you both. We love you a lot, Preeti. Khatam?
Yeah. I guess.
What are your New Year plans? People are asking. Sadia Islam.
Before
don't
New
know.
Year, we
New
have
Year
like
plan.
a friend's wedding. Common friend's wedding plan. I have another friend's wedding plan, and then I don't know. New Year plan.
Yeah. It won't be in Bombay for sure. Somewhere out. I don't know. It's too early to do that. What is your New Year plan? It's too early. I don't know. Yeah. I
It was
hope
your
we should.
first web series. How exciting it was!
It was.
Very nice. Very nice. Very exciting because.
I was just not happy because she was there and I
Oh god!
But
it
it's
was
okay.
Such a,
Param, is the 1 crore offer still open for your hand in line?
Oh my
हाँ
god.
हाँ इसको 10 कर दो यार प्लीज 10
फिर
करो
शादी करके तो कुछ नहीं करेगा ना.
नहीं इसी का बैठ जाएंगे से एफडी करके आराम से खाएंगे पिएंगे बस you were the inspiration to the whole world
World?
really thank you Ishat Shivika now according to me is black coffee different Arshita you want to answer that because
What according to you makes black coffee different
from
from
other
other
stories.
stories?
Yes, right now web series like there's so many and there's a huge audience out there. So they're following all sorts of thrillers and comedies and whatnot. So like tell us why black coffee is like something they should put on their watch list.
So first of all, anybody who likes black coffee should put it on their watch
So the
list.
story, the concept is fresh, I
Second.
think, and what I feel is, I don't know, I've not seen a lot of shows. I think it's fresh. I've seen a lot of films, but not the current web series, and it's not very. There's a kiss scene in the second. I can't even say it's not sleazy, but it's fresh.
No, I think any. So.
Your
any
mom
two
is
things
calling you
cannot
again.
be similar.
Yeah, I think you should take that call.
Yeah, you should take
Why
that
don't you
call.
take
You can
her
just be
call?
like,
It's
Mom,
like-
I'm cool.
Say I'm live.
Amma, I'll call you back.
Say hi, mom. I actually. Param, your experience has a change.
Oh, right.
How much it is difficult to roll a joint perfectly. I think smoke affected your throat in Harshi's birthday.
How?
You're correct. Correct, lovely,
It's a very
lovely,
good question.
lovely, Lali.
Yeah, that's
Very, very
that's
true. I hate smoking. Chain smoker. How much it is difficult to joint rolling is not that difficult.
I've done it.
No. Yeah.
But
so
long back, that was the time when I was.
I never smoked a joint. I used to
Oh,
smoke
no,
cigarettes,
sorry,
but
you never
there was
smoked
this guy who knew how to roll a joint because he smokes rolling tobacco. So I learned from him, and it's not that difficult. But I don't encourage all this
Yeah, I mean, hashtag no
activities.
smoking.
Please,
Yeah.
no smoking,
This is a
no
necessary.
drugs,
no smoking.
no nothing.
Never,
Just work
never.
hard, love your family, and
Only black coffee.
only black coffee and.
He's
Kya tha?
you've had my entire
sorry,
black
sorry,
coffee.
sorry.
Thank
So
you.
it's- Harshita, really. After this chat session, we'll go out and I'll.
Chat session?
Did I say chat?
No, I thought.
Chat. I said chat.
नहीं वो देखा मुझे लगा कि हम चाट तो नहीं खा रहे थे.
Oh fuck. Oh shit.
That's
okay.
what black coffee does to you.
Yeah,
This is
that's what it
psychotic.
does to you.
Psychotic.
Ah.
Psychotic
After
again.
this
Oh
chat
my
session-
god.
I didn't say
This is
chat.
so true.
Listen, I didn't say chat. I said chat. Anyway, so after this session, I'll take you to Starbucks and I'll get there. Oh,
वो
anyway.
अभी hazelnut.
Sada Haq or black coffee? Sada Haq. For me. आप बताइए. Don't say both, huh?
Both.
Yeah, लड़की है
दोनों
यार.
में same team.
Two
दोनों में
diplomatic.
same.
No.
But I tell you why not both? Like for me, it's easier to answer one.
You can
know
ask
why?
me
I'll
Sada,
give-
black coffee
no,
or
I'll
gulab.
give you a very logical
I'll
explanation
say
to this.
Sada.
I'll give you a very logical explanation. It would have been two different producers, two different actors, co-actors. Then it would have been difficult for me to say, and then I
Sada
would have
season
said
one.
both. Then it would have been
She has
diplomatic. Yeah,
She has a point there.
She's smart, smarter than you. And
Everybody is smarter.
when you have the same team, then saying both actually means both, because I can easily say one.
Why did
Doesn't
Himal
matter.
choose Himesh besides him understanding Inception in one time?
Why did Himal chooses Himesh besides? Why did?
That's a very contradictory question.
I can't. Why did Himal choose Himesh?
Chose Himesh besides him understanding Inception in one time.
No, you guys, the point was he understood Inception at one go. That is why he
That
was
is why
smart.
Himal.
Yeah, that
Chose
was
him.
No, wrong question. No.
Param Avni, no. Okay, ये हो चुका. Himal is a perfect Gujarati. I loved her. But she did a great job as a good Jew character. Thanks.
I think I was like that.
The credit goes to me.
You have been proven Himal's chemistry in Black Coffee.
Thank you, Mori Hassan.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Pretty good. Can we'll move on to this really quick segment, which is inside the book versus reality. So,
Yeah.
as you know, in the show, this guy is an author, alright, and his characters are like these typical lovey-dovey people who use words like Shona. So, now what we'll do is we will have them enact a situation two different ways. Like the first will be like the typical lovey-dovey thing, and the second will be like real-life practical stuff. Okay? So, the first situation is Param.
no, but please. I will go
Oh, no,
second.
both the situation have to be
Achha,
together.
both of us.
Together, together.
We have to plan it and do it or?
No, you guys
We
just
are
naturally.
impromptu.
Oh, natural.
Yeah, it's like.
Okay, so Param
Yeah.
ends up under Harshita's balcony in the middle of the night
Ah.
just to give her a surprise. So first they'll go as this lovey-dovey couple and then they'll go as a practical one. There it goes.
Hello.
The lovey-dovey couple, which
Versus
is
lovey-dovey.
in the books.
In
right?
the books. In
So the
the
character names could be different. It could be like Harshita, Param. But
Yeah, it can be anything.
could be
This is
Himal,
hypothetical.
Himal or Dhruv. Okay. So at middle of the night, he's so probably he's calling me that come out. I'm standing.
And then?
So now you want to know my reaction to it.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Surprise. Hi, surprise.
Hey,
Yes.
what रात हो गई है फिर
अरे
तुम
अभी
इतनी
रात को क्या करने आए हो?
आ सकते हो you wanna come
रात को क्या?
you
You want to what?
you I mean अरे मतलब वो ऐसे ही होगी ना थोड़ा मतलब वो सोच रही
No,
है
no, it's natural. Just say
yeah
whatever.
so when बोल रही हूँ naturally you're interrupting
हाँ बोलो. सुनो तुम्हारी मम्मी सो गई.
हाँ मम्मा तो फोन पर बात कर रहे हैं हाँ मम्मा सो गई लेकिन मेरा अभी तुम प्लीज चले जाओ
मैं
क्योंकि बहुत रात हो गई
4 माले ऊपर चढ़ के आया हूँ तुम कह रही हो चले जाओ.
नहीं आई यू नो तुम नीचे खड़े हो ना आने से पहले ही मना कर रही हूँ कि तुम बताओ
ये बुक में ये है कि मना कर रही है.
नहीं बुक में मतलब प्यार से मना कर रही है ना
ठीक है ये मना.
मतलब real life
अब
में।
real life में है.
पागल हो गया क्या इतनी रात को
मैं आ रहा हूँ बस.
अगर तू
मुझे मुझे ऊपर आना है.
अगर तू ऊपर आया तो
मैं आ रहा हूँ जो करना है कर ले. मैं विंडो देखी विंडो तोड़ के अंदर घुस
Oh my
जाऊँ.
God.
सीरियस क्या है?
तो मेरे गार्ड्स देख रहे हैं नीचे
अरे वो-
इतना मारेंगे ना
वो सो गए वो 2 बजे ही सो जाते हैं.
नहीं,
नेपाली
नहीं,
गार्ड
नहीं,
थे.
अभी निकलो बहुत हो गया तुम्हारा
सो मैं
कल बात करेंगे।
मैं अभी अंदर आ चुका हूँ.
पीनी क्या है हो क्या
That's a realistic question.
हाँ,
Okay.
Okay, next one. So Harshita has been waiting eagerly for a date at a coffee shop, and Param is an hour late.
Can we do
The lovey-dovey version.
The lovey-dovey. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Hello. 1 घंटा तो लेट हुआ. I'm really sorry.
It's okay.
चलेगा ना? कुछ ऑर्डर किया तुमने? ब्लैक कॉफी बनाया?
नहीं, ब्लैक कॉफी तो मैंने पी ली है और कुछ ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
But यार आगे से please late मत होना.
तुम्हारी कसम.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हो गई थी ना रास्ते में?
हाँ हो गई थी. मैं किसी के विंडो पे चढ़ गया था तो.
बुक के अंदर तो ऐसा नहीं बोलते ना, तो बुक पर ही बात करते हैं.
हाँ वो.
तो बैक टू रास्ते में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी क्या?
हाँ.
क्या हुआ? इज एवरीथिंग ऑलराइट?
अभी सब ठीक है.
Now the
Real
Real
version.
मैं आया. Sorry यार सीता. It's life यार.
ब्लैक कॉफी में चूतिया बोल सकते हो तो ब्लैक कॉफी नहीं बोल सकती आप.
Listen, I'm so sorry. वो पार्किंग ही नहीं मिली तेरे को और कितने फोन किए.
प्लीज यार, पार्किंग मतलब हर बार एक ही बहाना.
अरे I'm sorry यार.
रास्ते में किससे मिला?
किससे मिला?
रास्ते में किससे मिला जो 1 घंटा लेट हो गया?
यार किसी से मिला नहीं हूँ मैं. तेरे से मिलने आया यहाँ पे. क्या किससे मिला? किसी से मिला होता तो उसी के साथ होता ना. What is wrong with you?
Well, I'm going. Please pay the bill.
Pay the bill मतलब क्या होता है? हेलो. चलिए.
Okay. So next one is
विंडो पर चढ़ गया सीरियसली. You are you. अच्छा अच्छा.
yeah, love is an argument. So
You are अच्छा.
Okay. Next.
Anti-social. ठीक है.
okay, so Harshita eats up all of Param's fries before he can even get there.
खा लो सब खा लो.
वो एक्चुअली मुझे ना बहुत भूख लग रही थी.
कोई बात नहीं. और खाना है और मंगा लो. तुम खाती तो मेरा पेट भर सकता है. अबे क्या कर रही है यार हर्षिता.
मुझे भूख लगी.
यार मेरे को एक पीस नहीं मिल रहा यार. निकाल मुझसे. निकाल. उल्टी कर. This will be real. मैं कभी ना खाने दूँ किसी को मेरे फ्राइज. I will never let anyone eat my food. I'm very greedy, and I'm not foodie. I'm greedy. Sorry.
Okay,
for food.
last one. Harshita is flying off somewhere really far for a really long time, and now Param has like really less time to get to the airport and make a confession to her.
What?
Yeah, it's the book version.
The book version.
I'm waiting for my flight. I'm looking at.
Hi.
Hi.
तो इतना सरप्राइज क्यों हुई? मैं तो आ ही रहा था. थोड़ा लेट हो गया लेकिन. So flight is on time. आ गई?
Yeah.
हाँ यार. अच्छा listen, I want to tell you something यार. तुम जब वापस आ गई ना तो हम शादी कर लेते. इससे बोलूँगा मैं अगर तो कॉल. बुक में तो ऐसे ही बोलेगा ना. मैं तो ऐसे ही.
इतनी जल्दी बोल देगा.
क्या बाबा पॉज नहीं होते बुक
No,
में.
this is
ये
probably
गंदी एक्टिंग नहीं
probably
है.
this is the climax scene of a book. This is another climax scene.
बुक में गंदी एक्टिंग
तो
नहीं है.
एक बार मतलब
I want to tell you something.
No, not
वो क्या है ना. मुझे ना तुमसे कुछ.
एक्टिंग नहीं करनी थी.
तो
वैसे
मैं बोल दिया, चल.
feel करके ही बोलता.
तब रियल में
हाँ, real में.
ये मैं हर्षिता.
What the fuck?
तू
तू कैसे आ गया वहाँ पे?
यार मुझे तुझसे कुछ बोलना था एक्चुअली.
हाँ पर ये बोलेंगे फोन कर देना.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि तेरे को सुनना है यार.
सुनता नहीं हूँ.
हंस मत. अरे भाई साहब सुनो.
भाई साहब.
हेलो. सुना.
पहले मुझे बताओ भाई साहब
अरे तुमसे
किससे बात कर रही हो?
एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं मेरी.
हाँ.
वापस आ गई. अब आप जाओ उधर. उसके बाद बेइज्जती. अब मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं रह. मुझे लगा कि बहुत अपसेट होगी. नहीं तो ठीक है.
हाँ.
यार तुम बड़ी कूल है यार. थैंक यू.
They're best friends now.
Thank you. Hashtag best friend.
Okay, pretty good. So we've got this wrapped up. Now these guys are going to play a round of Pictionary.
Ah!
Yes, no, maybe.
No. ये खत्म होता है तो तुझसे. अच्छा आओ
dictionary.
Do we have an option?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Let's do it.
Sure. Now we'll move over to this other section where there's whiteboard. Okay. Okay. So you can sit here. Harshita can go first.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll hand out the chip to you. Okay. So there's a word on it. I'll explain it to you. So there's a word on it, and she's going to describe that word with a drawing, and you have to guess it.
Okay.
You cannot use any words. You just have to describe it. Where's the marker?
Are you good at sketching?
No, anything, any description symbols. It doesn't have to be perfect sketch.
Oh. Chemistry, biology. What is it? Trigonometry.
Come on.
Acha. Oh.
Yeah, this is such
Of
a
course you know
brilliant thing.
this is done so well. Oh my god.
Yeah.
What is this, specs?
Yeah, but then you need to guess
Practically.
the film, na?
You can't talk much.
Film?
You can't talk much.
Acha,
You
film.
just gave him a clue.
Sorry.
No.
Sorry.
Yeah, but how are you supposed to know whether he has to guess
Ah,
a person,
No,
a book, or
it
a...
was just drawings, just drawings.
Newton.
Oh my god, that's Newton.
What is it?
Newton will not have any
N.
mark.
Oh, acha. What? What is it?
Oh, now I'll have to make the whole thing.
Oh gosh. Yes, we do everything.
This is hand.
Oh, she's
अच्छा
making
अच्छा
it too
अच्छा अरे fuck that film ना वो बच्चों वाली है
easy. बच्चों वाली बोला.
हैरी पॉटर
Thank you.
वही है ना
Obviously.
Finally.
thank you see
Okay, so now it's your turn.
Sure,
Oh,
yeah.
no, you need to check. Hey.
she
No. Right.
wait huh
That looks very detailed.
थोड़ा zoom please.
So that's 500 rupees. A note.
Demonetization. Modi. Demonetization.
Yeah.
Okay, first let
You're
me.
close.
It's a book or a film or book, film. Just something like a normal.
Okay, I'll give it. Okay. That is really smart.
Yeah, bus. Best ST bus. There's some combination. Mon is there.
Close. You're close.
GST.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
very smart yeah Rashita congratulations what is your IQ
Better than yours, I guess.
मैंने हैरी पॉटर 2
What? Don't let me. It was such an easy thing where I did it.
this is also done now
Yeah.
But I don't think you were supposed to make ST, but that's too direct.
तो कभी नहीं मिलता तुझे फिर
Okay. Yeah.
now you can sit here and show your left profile
Yeah. Now that's a beautiful
No,
left
but
profile.
then, yeah. Thanks.
That's amazing. Okay. So we have wrapped up our chat with Harshita and Param. It was so amazing.
It was so good. It was so
I really
amazing.
hope you guys love it. Now they will have a message to share with the fans.
okay
And there is one fan who had something to say. It's Isha's birthday.
Happy
And-
birthday, Isha.
Okay, happy birthday, Isha. Oh, Isha is the same girl I met at Oberoi Mall.
Yes.
Oh yeah, happy birthday, Isha.
Happy birthday, Isha. Have
Have
a
a great
year.
year and life and day.
Mhm.
I love you a lot. We love you. And please
Black Coffee.
watch second episode of Black Coffee.
But it's okay, why?
Which is going to be on air.
You know, it's like the 80s holding those placards for the
Teleprompter.
actor.
एक मिनट सुन ले
Teleprompter.
ईशा ध्यान से सुन जो करना है कर अगर अच्छा लगता है ब्लैक कॉफी तो ही पीना
Definitely.
और देखना
देखना भी मना देखना
पर पीना जरूर यार देख लेना
But I met
यार
Ekta
सर तो
और
पीना
ईशा।
तो ब्लैक कॉफी
I met
ब्रांड
Ekta
की
सिन्हा।
नहीं रहती ब्लैक कॉफी
ईशा।
वेब सीरीज की
ठीक है हेलो
ब्लैक कॉफी पीने के बजाय मुझे दिखानी भी है।
हाँ प्लीज देखिए प्लीज हैव अ गुड डे यार हैव अ नाइस लाइफ एंड गो आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स चिल and we love you
Yeah.
We're signing off. Bye.
bye guys thank you so
Bye.
much for doing this thank you so
Thank
much
you for watching.
And thank you